In this episode, we go on a road trip for some parts, we find a Detroit diesel, and we have a little bit of bad luck. All of that next.
Hi, I'm Larry. This is our channel, Miller's Rods and Mods. I'm just your average guy that works on anything and everything, big or small. From custom fabrication to routine maintenance, we pretty much do everything here, all DIY. In the process, my family and I do our best to have a little fun. So follow along and enjoy.
Like I said earlier, we went on a road trip to find some parts. We got the tanks and the visor. But this gentleman had this beautifully preserved piece of history. It's a 1979 Kenworth with an 871 Detroit in it. He asked if I wanted him to fire it up, and of course I did. I mean, it was a treat to hear this girl purr. Hopefully you enjoy it just as much as I did. This gentleman's father-in-law bought this truck brand new back in 1979, originally with an 871 Detroit in it. And the engine needs some work, so this guy pulled it out of the weeds and got it running back on the road again. And I'm sure glad he preserved that piece of history. The red truck here that you see is his service truck. He used the crane on the back of it to load the tanks on my trailer. I don't know about you, but I found his service truck to be pretty cool too. Look at those skies. Beautiful, clear. What could go wrong, right? Wrong. We hit something and obviously it blew the tire to shreds. Luckily I carry spares, so we tried to make quick work of it, get us a new tire on there, and get back on the road. Unfortunately, we stopped for dinner, and on our way home from dinner, the truck decided it was only going to run on 4 cylinders. So we were lucky to make it home in this trip. Did make it home without a tow truck, but barely. First step was I wanted to try and get this visor mounted. We had to shorten it, cut it down a bit, and make our own brackets. But overall, it turned out pretty good. Any drop visor adds a little bit of attitude to any truck, and that's kind of what we were doing here. Just giving it some attitude and making it our own. Now, I didn't wire up the marker lights on the top yet, but of course I had to try them and see how they worked. Overall, they're pretty nice. These here are going to be side marker and turn signal lights. They're pretty neat. So we're making progress, a little bit at a time. We got the hood fixed, as you saw maybe in one of our other videos we've done. Some fiberglass crack repair, and bondoed, primed everything. Now we just gotta sand the primer down and get her nice and smooth to lay a nice coat of paint on. I am not a painter, by the way, so it may not turn out perfect, but it is a work truck. I'm really getting excited for this paint, and I know Sadie, she can't wait. But that pretty much sums up the update for now. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again to all of you that continue to support this channel. Until next time.